Want a free international bank account? Want to spend crypto anywhere in the world using a Visa card? In this video, I'll show you step by step how to create a PokePay account, apply for an international account, and get your Visa card. Today I'm going to talk about PokePay, a modern banking platform that combines crypto and traditional banking in one place. PokePay makes international banking simple. You can open multi-currency accounts and manage money in currencies like USD, Euro, and GBP. This is very useful for people who work or do business globally. It also supports global payment systems like SWIFT, ACH, and SEPA, so sending and receiving money across countries becomes fast and easy. One of the best features is that PokePay is crypto-friendly. You can use both crypto and regular money in the same platform without any confusion. PokePay also provides dedicated bank accounts, which makes transactions more secure and efficient. Another great advantage is the Visa card integration. You can use your funds for ATM withdrawals, online payments, and shopping worldwide. For businesses, PokePay offers API integration, which helps connect with e-commerce and financial systems easily. Security is also very strong. PokePay follows international financial regulations and ensures safe transactions. Compared to other platforms, PokePay offers faster transfers, lower fees, and better global support. It can be used for many purposes like international payments, online business transactions, crypto trading, salary distribution, investments. In simple words, PokePay is an all-in-one solution for modern banking and global finance. First, click the registration link given in the description. Once the page opens, enter your email. Verify your OTP. After completing this, your PokePay account will be created successfully. Next important step, KYC verification. Go to your profile section. Upload your ID proof. Aadhaar passport driving license. Complete selfie verification. Important. Make sure all details are correct. Any mismatch may lead to rejection. Now the main step. Click the international account application link given in the description. Fill in the required details. First, enter your PokePay ID in the form. I'll tell you where to find it. Go to your PokePay account, open the My option. There you will see your email ID, and below that you'll find your ID. It will be a 6-digit number. Copy that ID and paste it into the form. Next, for the forward link, click the X link given in the description. It will open PokePay's official X page. There, you will see a post about the free PokePay International Bank account. Retweet that post, then share it. After sharing, copy that link and paste it into the form. Finally, click Submit. Pay the small application fee. Important note: after successful approval, the fee will be refunded within 48 hours. Once your account is approved, you will receive a virtual Visa card. You can shop online worldwide. Run ads on Facebook or Google. Use it for subscriptions like Netflix, SaaS tools, etc. You can also apply for a physical card if needed. A special campaign is running right now. To participate, register using the link. Like this video. Comment your PokePay ID. Then submit the form from the description. You must submit a paid application first. After approval, the fee will be refunded. If rejected, the fee is non-refundable. So make sure you enter correct details. If you found this video helpful, please like and share it. Subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.